nice Porsche spot. Yeah. So basically what they've done is, this would have been very easy if this was an R32 style intake manifold, laying longitudinally. So because they've made it easier to remove it if it was, they've now made it harder because it's easier to work on. So it's got a cam follower.
Oh, I haven't even got there yet.
So this is another VW thing, because if you look at this here, right?
Yeah, it's got a Golf 6.
Oh. It looks very similar.
The Porsche best day.
Huh. Would you look at that? Yeah, even there. Well, I mean, it's a VW engine, but there's the VW Audi badge. Catching on this one. You. Coming to Campfest build near you.
So those three are for the fuel.
Yeah, they're joined.
That's silicone.
Anyway, moving along.
Yeah.
We should actually change this also.
Okay, so these do go through the fuel rail and the...
Something fell out.
What was that?
Isn't it a bush?
That.
What do we? I even forgot what we're doing.
Tap it up again.
So now obviously we need injector seals, intake manifold, gasket, and PCV repair kit.
This is,
I think. It's pretty good inside. So basically now we can put the new plugs in because it's easy to get to, and then we'll service it. That should be much easier. And nice and oily. NGK LZR7A. Yep, same. Oh, it's the other way. Nice and oily. Nice and oily. Oh, that one's... Yeah, that's the winner. That's number 4. Oh, that's a... That may be the winner as well. It's a tough choice between the two. That looks okay.
Sure. Hi, how are you today?
Good and you? Very much. Can't touch it. You can give me this. This is the right one.
Yeah, that looks right. With the smaller O-rings.
Okay, so we're just test fitting the injector seals now. They've been replaced. We just need to see if the rail goes back on before we put everything together to try and avoid any future issues with it.
I'll show you.
So we've got the new injector seals fitted. We've replaced them with these Viton ones. They should be good forever now. The old ones were looking pretty terrible. After that's done, injector seals done, new valve cover gasket done, new plugs fitted, we can get the intake manifold back on and get this car started.
Okay, push that.
It's not like a Golf. That's much easier than Golf.
Yeah, even with it being this much space over here, you can always also just take the front of the Golf off.
Aren't you excited to be working on a Porsche? This is the pinnacle of the VW and Audi brand. This is the best that there is. No. Oh no. Yeah, it's stripped up.
So now,
So now we can't drain it now because that we need pro threads now. Yo, how's it? Alright, man. When can you come to my shop? Around 5. Okay, I have a sampler strip.
Look at that sexiness. See, this you need to record in the light.
Eh?
This you must record in the light. It's got so much seal on it.
Cool, thank you very much.
on the fresh side.
Fresh.
So that's it. Something like
OEM quality.
Nice.
Have a look. It's 2 washers, double washer.
And a tube of silicone.
And you got some thread tape in the mix.
And threader.
Look at that.
I'm surprised it's a leak. Am I interfering with you?
Kind of. I mean,
Sorry.
and strobe lights coming in my eyes like we're going out of
Go for
fashion
it.
now.
It looks pretty good.
It does.
So lucky there was no drilling or anything, so it's going to be cheap to do it.
Oh yeah, 100%. It's just after the 5 that's the problem.
It's still not after 5. It's 5 o'clock somewhere.
What do you think? Do you think that is?
I think when the bolt went in skew, and it just charred that corner off. And then they just continued to impact it in. And then they were like, this is going to be the next idiot's problem. What do you know? Lucky day. Bringing out the special tools. Doctor's tools here.
Hey, well done. How did you know?
So you do the doctor. This is an Opel sampler.
No, a Land Rover. Porsche deserves the best.
I mean, it's going to be Land Rover-ish. We'll go with its 4x4 characteristics. Oh. Yeah, you see? 25 in my arm, bro.
Yeah. Huh? Wheel caps on. Vacuum pipe is on this. Snap plugged in.
So I'm here to collect the Cayenne from Amish at Euroworx, and I'm very scared to find out how that went, but we'll find out.
So we've finished the Cayenne. We did the spark plugs, the liquid moly oil, the oil filter, the belt tensioner, the belt, and we had some issues with the sump plug. The sump plug was stripped. We had to get a helicoil and use a different kind of sump plug, and we changed the valve cover gasket, so all the leaks should be resolved now. So far everything is looking good. There's one more component we require from Porsche Cape Town that should be here this week. It's the insert for the gearbox mounting, and then once we're done with that, the car mechanically should be perfect.
Alright, well,
There you go, sir.
thank you. So in terms of going forward, is there anything important that I should...
Well, we didn't see anything alarming. After this first rally, we will go through the suspension again. We just want to go through the low control on bushes and make sure all that's 100%, because the car does have some mileage on, and the car will be driven quite enthusiastically the next time it's driven. So just to ensure that everything is as good as it can be, we will get to that next.
Happy to have her back?
Oh yeah. So the fun stuff can start now. All the fun modifications can start. Yes, show them the sneak. Show them the sneak.